Welcome to EAS Landscaping. My name is Pat, and I am a landscaper in the Philadelphia area, but specifically specialize in Philadelphia. So I just wanted to kind of record this today. It is March 22nd, 2019. It's a Friday, kind of dreary-ish. The sun was trying to peek out, and everybody's probably thinking about, now I'm going to start my garden. Now I'm going to start my landscape. I'm going to really kind of go for it. So that's great. If I can get this thing to work, yeah, there's the website. That's the number you can reach us at, 267-670-0173. There's a contact form on the website. If you want to reach us, you can do that. But anyways, some of the work we've done. So this is a hardscaping project we did where we put the back here. We ended up putting a nice patio for these people. And that is in the Kensington section, Fishtown section of Philadelphia. So anyway, you're thinking, hey, my landscape looks horrible. My garden's filled with wet leaves. I haven't cleaned out anything. I really want to make this work this year. So give us a call or send me information on the contact form. We can do turf or sod. We do hardscaping. We do all kinds of plantings, trees, shrubs, everything you can imagine. We specialize in native plantings and kind of understanding the natives in the Delaware Valley. Give you some really good ideas with that. Just kind of here to help you. So anyway, happy spring. Go Sixers, go Flyers, go Phillies, go Eagles, of course, in the fall, and go Villanova in the NCAA tournament. And anyway, reach out and be more than happy to help you and enjoy your landscape. Thanks for watching.